All right, so young entrepreneur Antoinette Brown is right beside me. She's the mastermind of Glossy Glowed. Glossy Glowed offers a special blend of natural ingredients, I'm told, to give you that heavenly glow. Heavenly glow?
Yes, correct.
Wonderful. And she's here to tell us all about that. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time and to your wonderful models here. All right, so tell me about this glow thing now.
Okay, so Glossy Glowed is a luxurious skincare body line, and we offer natural products, They're all made here in Jamaica, and they're handmade by myself. We have
handmade by yourself?
Yes.
So where you got that expertise from?
Well, I have a knack for starting new things. I have a passion for new ideas. So ideas just come to me. I'm an entrepreneur at heart, so I have many business ideas that just flow to me naturally. I do like ideas, like 3 ideas per year.
3 ideas per year, but why this one in particular? Where did this idea come from?
Well, this one came from seeing the young ladies on social media speaking about their glowing, natural glow, like glow up. So I'm saying, okay, so glow is in. So once something is in, and skincare is always in, persons are always taking care of their skin. So I said, all right, let me just ride with that, because it's talking about melanin, and everyone is loving their skin and appreciating their skin tone these days.
When you say glow, what exactly that mean? When you put it on, what? You have a different look? What, you have a shine? You have a what? What does it
Definitely.
do?
So it gives you a shimmer and a sheen. So once you have, if you have dry skin, it definitely works for you. So it will hydrate, nourish, and moisturize your skin and give you that natural sheen to your skin.
And it's the entire body we're talking about, or is the face just the...
We're talking about the entire body. We don't use it on the face, but we have scented coconut oils, which can be used on your skin tone. These are lovely, and it can be used in your hair as well.
Wait, so you don't put it on the face, you say?
Not on the face.
Why not?
Because it will be too oily. And we don't,
okay.
Well, you can use the coconut oil in your face to prime it. If you wear makeup, you can use it to prime the face, but not to just regular base the face if you have on the makeup already.
Okay, so all right, tell me that again. So it's not either or either. You can put it on with makeup, or you
can put it on before the makeup.
Right, and it will still have that.
Yes, so it helps to prime the face. I mean, the ladies know what I'm talking about when we say prime the face.
No, I know that too.
Oh, you know that? Sorry.
You know what
you
it
do?
Is, so. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So you can use it to prime the face.
Ladies in my life, you know, so.
Oh, men can wear this as well. The scented. And let me spray a little on you, and you tell me how it smells. And I want you to be honest.
I'm scared of it because it might throw off my sinus and I will start sneeze. That's the only reason I wouldn't do it. But I will still smell it. So explain what you've brought now. So
all right. So
these are what? Different?
These are different. So I have the 24, we have body melts. Those are what you call shimmering lotions. So I have 3 shades. I have my 24 karat, which gives you a lot of shimmer on your skin. So if you're going out to the party or you want to make a highlight in the street, you know, you just wear the 24 karat and it will definitely give you that glow.
How long it lasts?
It lasts all day. And it has SPF, so it protects your skin from the sun.
From the sun, yeah? This fellow right here?
This right here is our cucumber lavender sugar scrubs. So this is
cucumber lavender
sugar scrub.
Oh,
so this one helps to exfoliate the dead cells.
It actually has sugar in there?
It actually has sugar. And no, ants won't take you away.
Oh, you know, I was going to answer that. And that's the same thing,
and
like that one.
This one is actually deep gold. So this one is more...
So this is different from this?
Yes. This one has more gold in it.
Okay.
And this one is more conservative, which is the deep gold.
Okay.
So if you don't want to be all that shimmered up, go with the deep gold.
And the bronze one?
And then we have the bronze for darker skin tones. And even if you are light skin and you want to just have a natural, thank you, darling, and you want to have like a tanned look, you can go with the bronze.
Okay. And this you just explained?
Yeah, that's the scented coconut oils.
All right, so what you're
going
to do with the models this morning?
All right, I'm going to add the 3 different shades to my models so you can see the difference in tone.
You're going to add the 3 different shades?
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm going to start with my model here, lovely Caprice.
Hey, Caprice.
So this is the bronze, and this is my sample jar. So I'm going to add a little to Caprice's shoulder.
Oh yeah, you told me that you don't put it on the face, no?
Yeah, not on the face. It's too oily for the face. So I'll just rub it in, and what it will do is to enhance Caprice's skin and give her that sheen.
You can see it already.
Yes, and I'm sure you can see the difference in the shoulders.
Yeah, man.
And ladies, let me tell you something. Once you stand, yes, Caprice has lovely skin.
She does.
Once you stand out in that sunlight, whatever kind of light it is, you'll definitely get a glow. So you can see this shoulder, this is the deep gold, and if you look at the other shoulder, the difference.
You can definitely see it.
And let me rub some of the bronze on Desiree, because I mean, ladies,
come in, Desiree.
If you want, if you're Desiree's complexion and you don't want to sit in the sun to get a tan, you can also use the bronze on your skin tone.
So what you say, the bronze acts as what?
It acts as a tanning lotion.
A tanning lotion, not a sunblock.
Not a sunblock.
Okay.
But it does have SPF. If you put both arms together,
yeah, man, you can see.
All right, so that's the bronze. And I'm going to do the 24 karat gold, which is this one here. And
question, before you do that, question. You mentioned her skin tone as opposed to caprices. So does it matter which one you use on?
It does matter, as I was saying before, because if you don't want to have a tan look, which Desiree looks a little darker right now, then you wouldn't purchase it if you don't want to be looking tan. But if you want to up your skin tone, for Desiree, I would recommend the 24 karat.
But what would happen if you put that on Caprice?
No man, it just blends right into Caprice's natural skin tone.
All right. So in other words, anyone can be used on anyone.
Anyone can be used on anyone. Okay. It all depends on the look that you're going for.
All right. And you said it lasts the whole day?
The entire day. And it hydrates your skin. So if you have really, really dry skin, I'm telling you, this is the product for you. So this is the 24 karat on Desiree. So this one gives you a lot more shimmer. And ladies, if you're into shimmer, and you want them see or you want to step out, this is it. you can see the difference already. I suspect if you're into carnival and all kind of thing, this would be fantastic for the people who go to carnival. It would be. I mean,
you could see the difference. You can see the difference.
Yeah, and I started last year, 2018 in carnival season. Okay. And Neville, I launched on the Friday night, and then the Friday night before carnival, which was the Sunday. And when I was running Instagram at the night, when I woke up in the morning, my DM was flooded, and I was like, oh my God.
So business good then?
Business is good. Persons really need the product.
Fantastic.
Now, this is the 24 karat. Can you see the amount of highlight that is on Caprice's shoulder right now?
Yeah, that's fantastic. Where can you be found?
I can be found on Instagram because I'm online based. So it's Glossy Glowed, GLOSSY.glowed.
Right there.
Right here, GLOWED. All right. And you can contact me at 310-0644. So that's Glossy Glowed.
Fantastic. Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much for having me.
And good luck to the models also. Antoinette Brown, founder and creative director of Glossy Glowed. There you go. Female just put on some shimmer. We'll soon come. More and smile when we come back. Stay with us, please.